Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, August 29 to Saturday, September 4th, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Select Colgate toothpaste deal. It's on sale 2 for $7.98. You can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ is $7.98. You can use one $7.98 off 2 Colgate digital coupon, but that coupon is available on Sunday. Just pay or roll, nothing out of pocket, so final cost is free. They don't have any extra buck, but 2 Colgate toothpaste is totally free after the digital coupon. So anyone can do this deal. My next deal is Select Colgate Renewal toothpaste deal and Select Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate Oral Care and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. You can buy 1 Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ is $9.99. Also, you can buy 1 Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ is $9.99. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ is $7.98. So the totals come out $27.96. You can use 1 5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 1 $3 of 2 Colgate Renewal Total Optic White or Sensitive digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch and that coupon is available on Sunday. Also, you can use 1 $3 of Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste digital coupon and use 1 $3 of Gum Optic White Renewal toothpaste digital coupon. Both these coupon is expired on end of the month. Also, you can use one $7.98 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $21.98. You can pay or roll $5.98 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.98 or 74 cents each. My next deal is Oral-B manual toothbrush deal. Buy 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. So you can buy 2 Oral-B manual toothbrush 4 cities $10.98. It's $5.49 each. Also, you can buy one $2 of 8 Crest Oral Care CVS CRT. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.98 or $1.50 each. But check back on Sunday if we get for the digital coupon for this product. My next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's exclude eye shade and baby lips. So you can buy 2 Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. It's $14.98. It's $7.49 each. You can use 1 4 of 14 Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is Revlon Cosmetic deal. Spend 15 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit up to 6 times. So you can buy 2 Revlon Baby Lip. It's $11.58. It's $5.79 each. Also, you can buy 1 Revlon Nail Care product. It's $8.29. So the totals come out $19.87 if your store allow 98% rule. You can use 1 6 of 20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 4 of Revlon or Revlon Mystery coupon. That coupon is printed this week. Also, you can use 1 free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $4.87 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is free plus 13 cent money maker. My next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB and buy 3 and get back $7 ECB. That one has a limit up to $7. So you can buy 2 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner is $12.98. It's $6.49 each. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Press powder, it's $8.49. So the totals come out $21.47. You can use 1/6 of 20 CoverGirl cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. Use 1 $2 of CoverGirl digital coupon and use 1 $2 of CoverGirl printable coupon. That coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $6.47 and get back $7 ECB. So the final cost is free plus 53-cent money maker. My next deal is any speed stick or lady speed stick deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale. Buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you can buy 2 speed stick deodorant. It's $5.68. It's $3.79 each. So the second one is half off. You can use 1/3 of 2 speed stick CVS CRT. Use 2 50-cent of lady speed stick or speed stick printable coupon on speedstick.com. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $1.68 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is free plus 31-cent money maker. My next deal is Gillette Venus disposable razor or save prep deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 2 Gillette For Me regular shave cream 11 OZ, it's $5.38. It's $3.59 each. So the second one is half off. You can pay or roll $5.38 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.38 or $1.19 each. My next deal is Johnson Aveeno Destined Baby Care deal. Spend $25 and get back $7 ECB. It's limit 1 per household and it's on sale. Buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you can buy 4 Johnson baby lotion. It's 16.9 OZ. It's $17.96. It's $5.99 each. Also you can buy 2 Johnson baby wipe 25 CT. It's $7.78. It's $5.19 each. So the totals come out $25.74. You can use 1/3 of 15 baby care wash CVS CRT. Use 1 $2 of 6 any baby wipe CVS CRT. Use 1 $1 of Johnson product digital coupon and use 1 $1 of Johnson product printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $18.74 and get back $7 ECB. Plus you can earn $10 Visa reward for the Johnson rebate. But that rebate is expired on September 5. So if you want to purchase and if you didn't submit before this rebate, you can purchase and submit that rebate before the September 5. So the final cost is only just $1.74 or 29 cents each. My next deal is Epic Beauty Event Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB, or you can spend $45 and get back $15 ECB. That one has a limit up to $15. So you can buy 2 Muai Moisturizer Heal and Hydrate Shampoo. It's $14.98 because it's buy 1 get 1 50% off and it's $9.99 each. Also you can buy 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail Care product. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Also you can buy 1 Sally Hansen Insta Dry Nail Care. It's $5.79. So the totals come out $40.86. You can use 1/4 of 14 Muai shampoo and conditioner CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 25 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 $5 of 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel CVS CRT. Use 1 $1 of Sally Hansen digital coupon and use 1 $2 of Muai Haircut digital and use 1 $2 of printable coupon for the Muai. So the total coupon is $19. Pay or roll $21.86 and get back $15 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $3.86 or 77 cents each. My next deal is scenario 2. Spend 30, get 10 and spend 45, get $15. So you can buy one Garnier Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe, it's $7.79. Also you can buy one Neutrogena Clear Pore Cleanser Mask, it's $9.99. Also you can buy two Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail Polish, it's $19.98 and use buy one Sally Hansen Insta Dry Nail Polish, it's $5.79. So the totals come out $43.55. You can use 1/3 of 10 Neutrogena Acne Scrub CVS CRT. Use 1/3 of 3 Nail Care Hair Care CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 25 Any Cosmetics CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel CVS CRT. Use $2 of Garnier Micellar CVS CRT. Use $1 of Sally Hansen digital coupon and use $3 of Neutrogena Acne digital coupon. So the total coupon is $24. Pay or roll $19.55 and get back $15 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $1.55 or 31 cents each. My next deal is Select Special K cereal or bar deal. It's on sale $1.99 each. You can buy 4 Special K cereal, it's $7.96. But make sure to check which one is included because they say selected. So you can use 1/2 of 8 Any Breakfast CVS CRT, use $1 of 2 Kellogg's Cereal Digital and use $1 of 2 Kellogg's Cereal Printable coupon. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $3.96 and get back. So the final cost is only just $3.96 or 99 cents each. My next deal is Mars Chocolate or Extra Gum deal and Hershey's Kisses or Miniature deal. Buy one Hershey's Kisses and get back $1 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $2.99 each. Also you can Mars Chocolate and Extra Gum on sale 2 for $2. So buy 2 Snickers candy 1.2 OZ, it's $2. Buy 4 Extra Gum 15 stick, it's $4 and buy 1 Hershey's Kisses, it's $2.99. So the totals come out $8.99. You can use $2 of $8 Any Breakfast Any Candy CVS CRT. Use 50 cents of 2 Mars Candy printable coupon. That coupon is no longer available. Also you can use $1 of 2 Extra Gum printable coupon. That coupon also no longer available. So the total coupon is $3.50. Pay or roll $5.49 and get back $1 ECB. So the final cost is only just $4.49 or 64 cents each. My last and final deal is any Insure and Glucerna product deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Glucerna Mini Treat Snacks Bar, it's $11.98. You can use $3 of 2 Glucerna products CVS CRT. Use $3 of Glucerna printable coupon on glucerna.com, but that coupon is only just new sign up, so the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $2.98 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2.02 money maker. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.